Hello everyone, Michael here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today I want to get a little philosophical and discuss how and when to phase in different projects during operations. Have you ever heard the saying, slow is smooth and smooth is fast? Basically, if you try to do everything all at once, it'll become a mess and you might fail at some, if not all of it. While if you take your time and slow down, you'll actually be able to manage it all and you'll complete everything even faster. This same theory can be applied to asset management and the phasing in of your business plan on your multifamily apartment community. You don't want to rush to do all the projects you have planned all at once. You want to add them in at a slowly and measured cadence when your property management company is ready to take them on. Trust me, I know you're excited to get projects underway that will make your investors money, but all you'll do is tire out your property manager, which could ultimately result in fumbling some, if not all, of the projects. Instead, give your property manager time to settle in and get their feet under the desk before adding too many projects. I promise this will result in a steady, accurate execution of your business plan so you can achieve your pro forma numbers quickly. Until next time, explore more, adventure awaits.